What is a cloud-agnostic architecture strategy and why is it so important?
A cloud-agnostic strategy is that a solution that it will allow us to use different cloud providers for our virtual desktops or any other servers that we have in the clouds. It will help us to move between the cloud providers. When it allows us to move between the cloud providers, it will help us to reduce our cost, manage the capacity that we need, especially when it comes to the virtual desktop for entertainment arts. We know that we have a limitation of the GPUs. When I'm talking about graphic cards, we have a limitations on those graphic cards available in the market. Time to times, the cloud providers cannot give us enough capacity. So what we do, we use the agnostic solutions to scale out from, for example, Amazon to Azure, Azure to Google, or vice versa. In that case, we're not going to have any challenges moving forward, no capacity issues.
What is a tools-agnostic VDI solution and why is it important?
A VDI agnostic tools solution is a solution that it will let us use any kind of tools that it will deploy virtual desktops for us in a cloud, on premises, or anywhere that we like. Okay? The most important part of this being agnostic is that now I can go use any kind of tools like a Citrix, Strategy, remote desktop services, you name it, AWS workspaces, AWS Nimbles, and deploy that virtual desktop for my users. It will let me go fast because I have a knowledge in the house. I know which tools I'm comfortable working with, and it will reduce your operation cost along as acquiring a tools cost. You look at it to what you need and you select the tools that it works for you. That makes a huge difference.
Why cloud and tools agnostic VDI solution is important?
The importance of combination of the being agnostic cloud means that we will be able to move our workload or VDIs from one cloud provider, let's say Amazon AWS, to Azure, to Google, or vice versa. Then you combining this solution of being agnostics on the higher layer with the agnostic of the tools, the tools that it will deploy the solutions for us into these clouds. When all those combinations come together, now I have more flexibility to use against of these cloud providers, against of challenges that I might have inside the environments. On the other hand, it will reduce my cost, the cost of running the environment, allowing me to negotiate with the cloud providers and the tools providers. So at the end of the day, it will help us to have more flexibility on every aspect of a virtual desktop infrastructure.